Okay, you guys, when I get around this corner, I'm gonna cut the phone off until I can find a oh, look at the people fishing down there. I think that's where my grandson go fishing. This way he go fishing. Yeah, Bird Creek. But anyway, I'm not gonna go down there. That's Bird Creek. That's where he goes fishing. But I'm gonna go on up a little bit, and until I can get, find my cord, like the man said, and I will cut another video on. So like this, thumbs up the video, share it, and subscribe if you have not done it already. I'm got to go now. Okay.